I have a question for you. Do you really want to look much better for this year? Do you want to look younger, feel a little bit fresher? Gotta tell you, I always get compliments on my skin literally everywhere I go. I get ID'd quite often, and I'm past 4 decades in age. So I'm not spring chicken, but I take good care of my skin. So in this video, I want to actually share with you some tips and actually some products that I use and how to actually use them correctly. So I'm gonna go step by step on what I do on my skin to look fresh and younger and just have that youthful appearance. What's up, mi gente? This is Georgie Miller and welcome once again to my channel. So let me start with step number 1. This is an actual laser mask and you can see the amount of lights it has inside. Not complicated. You attach to the top, to the bottom, and literally you wear it while you are doing your office work at home. Maybe you can be cleaning the house, you can use it, not a problem. And I use it for like about 10 minutes and that's it. What it does also, it provides more collagen production into the skin. So obviously collagen, it is the #1 ingredient for anti-aging. So devices like this really help with the collagen production. Again, this is by the brand Jovs, and there are a lot of brands out there that they make this type of mask. Something very good to know, it is that an LED mask, it is not the same as a laser mask. There are two different things. Laser is going to be a little bit more intense, LED is a little bit more mild. Now let's say that you don't have that type of device, don't worry about it. We're going to go right into the skincare itself. So after I cleanse my skin, I go with this product here, and you can do any type of lotion, you can do a toner, whatever works best for you, and you are going to press. So it's going to absorb much better. Press it in very gently. Don't forget your neck. Then step number 2, go with your favorite serum. Serums are the ones that are going to do a lot of the hard work because serums are light in weight and they penetrate much easier. So this one in here that I'm using, I've been liking it. It is by the brand The Ordinary. This is made with peptides, and peptides are great anti-aging ingredients also for fine lines and wrinkles and for skin texture as well. So a good peptide, it is great. I think the best one out there, Dr. Perricone. Dr. Perricone has very good peptides, but very pricey. So this one I gave it a try for The Ordinary and it's been working very good. So the same thing applies. You don't want to rub, you want to press it in. Step number 3, you're gonna follow with your favorite moisturizer. This one I've been loving. This actually I bought about a week and a half ago and I have been seeing already great results. I believe it's a new product. It's by L'Oreal called Midnight Cream. By the way, I got this at Costco, I believe, but you can get it in Amazon. By the way, I'm gonna leave all the product links under this video so you can buy them. So this one here, it is a very creamy, it's like the texture is very creamy. You know, moisturizers are good to maintain the outer layer of the skin, but it's not gonna do tons of repair as the serum will do. I will always suggest never skip the serum process because that's very important. You can massage a little bit as well at this point, but don't overstretch the skin. Then going on to the eye cream. This is by the brand Shiseido. I've been using this for a number of years. This is called Future Solutions LX. This cream, very good eye cream, very creamy. Now the way that you apply this eye cream, you're gonna use your ring finger and you are going to pat it. This is what it works for me. This is actually my routine that I do every single day, and I've been getting, again, I swear to my life, all the time I get ID'd, they can never guess my age. Now during the daytime, what you want to do after you follow your routine, you must seal and finish everything with a good SPF. This one in here, I love it because it's tinted and it almost kind of hides a little bit of imperfections and it gives me like a beautiful glow without trying too hard. Now with the SPF, you don't have to really press in. You can gently spread all over your face. And when you're applying products on your neck, I kind of forgot that part, but make sure that you also, with your full hand, you're pressing in the product. That includes your serum and moisturizer. never forget your neck. Now, as we age, the same cream that you use for your face, it might not work the same on your neck. So if you're a little bit older, then maybe invest on a neck cream that is gonna be more targeted for this area. The skin here is very different than the one in here, and the skin under your eyes, way different too. This is very thin down here, so make sure that you don't over apply products under your eye because it can get puffy and it can get irritated on that one. No more than 5 minutes a day and your skin is gonna thank you for it. You're gonna get a lot of compliments, and that's what I do. That's my secret for my skincare. One thing that you need to keep in mind, every skin, it is different. What works for me might not work for you and might not work for the other person. So everybody is very different when it comes to skincare. When you find the right product, then you gotta stick to it and do it every single day, because that's the trick. So very quickly, pause on this one. I wanna talk about this brand called Balm. This company sent me this product several weeks ago. I haven't even had a chance to really do a deep dive in it. I did try it the other day. I had like a sore muscle. I was working out and I felt kind of sore. So I put a little bit of this and it helped alleviate the pain. It did not took it away completely because I think I overextend my muscles too much when I was lifting weights, but it felt more relaxed. And the reason why it was more relaxed, I think, is just because it has 500 milligrams of CBD in it. Beautiful product. It's just because I like that almost bamboo lid in it. I like that glass jar in a deep green. It looks very luxurious and it smells so good too. Love the smell. It's kind of like a little bit like menthol, but not too much. And I like the consistency of also the balm. It doesn't feel too greasy, and I like the way actually my skin feels with it. I mean, it has avocado oil, calendula, which is great, chamomile, it has shea butter, I mean a lot of essential oils, lavender, olive oil. So it is very natural. It has a lot of good ingredients in it, and it's just relaxing. So if you're a person that works out or suffers from mild pains, maybe this is something that maybe you can consider and check it out as well. Thank you, Balm, for sending this. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you have an amazing new year, a new you, a new skin, and there's gonna be a lot of videos coming up soon. I want to make this video very mellow, very relaxed. Actually, my husband is doing a meeting literally behind this door, so I didn't want to be too loud. Like I'm very loud and a little bit of obnoxious. But I want to be more relaxed on this video and feel a little bit more zen. So I think we need those moments just to decompress, to relax on a good Sunday morning. Go over your skincare, see what's working for you. Things that are old, that are not working, just throw them away, because old skincare then starts to smell not good. It can actually break you out. And going into the new year, it's good to purge things out. So go to your closet, donate things that you don't really need, and keep the basics that you're going to use. The same thing with your skincare. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your skin, and if you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave me your comments right there below. I'm going to be providing the links of these products as well, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Take care, have an amazing day, and keep loving and don't hate. Bye now.